Today is, ay hindi, tonight is day 17 ng 100 dips natin. And kung maririnig nyo, bubulong tayo kasi may makatulog na sa baba, guys. So tara, mag-dips na tayo sa taas. And samahan nyo ako. So what up guys, nandito na naman tayo sa munting gym natin. And nandito nga pala yung deep bar natin. And hinahanap ko kanina pa yung notebook na pinagsusulatan ko ng mga records natin. Putang ina, nawawala. Pero baka naitabi lang na yung air mat. Sana hindi natapon. Shit. And nandun pa naman yung mga record natin. Pero today is day 17 guys. So samahan nyo ako guys sa vlog ko na to. And we work out again. Let's go. So ngayon guys, sa vlog ko na to guys is magsasalita muna tayo ngayon dito sa video natin, malamang. Magsasalita muna tayo dahil nga yung mga nakaraang vlog natin is sobrang tahimik natin. And pinapractice ko rin yung pagsasalita ng pagkukwento or pag-vlog dito sa harap ng camera dahil mahirap nga. Eh, nabubulil-bulil pa ako. Hanip. May nakanganga kasi dyan eh. Guys, day 17. So, tara, simulan natin. Tangina, bobo! So, warm up muna tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Ngayon ay 10:30 na guys, kaya matulog na kayo. Huwag nyo akong gagawin. Pero bago natin pala simulan guys, subscribe na kayo sa channel ko. And parang awa nyo na, paubutin natin ng 100 subscriber tong YouTube channel natin. And ayun, shoutout ko kayo. Tangina, nakala mo talaga sikat na no? So yun guys, shoutout ko kayo sa next video ko pag mag-subscribe kayo ngayon guys. So please subscribe this channel, Atan. Ako si Atan. So maraming salamat sa suporta.
You, me, and a successful businessman on Wall Street, none of us are all that different. Deep down, we struggle with the same mindset challenges every day. Productivity, hard work, discipline. It doesn't matter who or where you are in life. You clicked on this video because you have been trying to make these things work, but it just doesn't happen. I've been there. Frustrated. If this is something you're going through right at this moment, I have some good news for you. The successful people you see, they aren't superhumans. You and I have the exact same potential to match and even outdo them. Listen, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to give it to you straight, so buckle up because this is going to be one interesting ride. So let me tell you what discipline really means. For me...
So as you can see guys, yung dips ko, pagkatapos ko mag-dips is nagsundot ako ng leg raises. And para sa core natin. So yun lang. Let's go.
Rather than to learn the process of becoming a skilled hunter and chase your meals on long huntings. But as you can imagine, being a hunter and getting more protein, which is essential for progress in living. But here we are in today's world, a world filled with cheap dopamine and access to cheap and fast food. I realize that I'm not a caveman anymore yet. I still have a similar choice to make in this modern world. This choice is between comfort and hard work. But here's the kicker. Choosing comfort doesn't have the same serious consequences anymore. You can choose to sit on your ass all day watching TikTok like most people.
fucking go to that edge, people do not like you, don't understand you, question everything you fucking do, you arrive. When you are misunderstood to the point where fucking people think God, dude, doing an op for fucking 13, 14 hours at the Ranger School, man, at the gym. What's wrong? You never understand what is wrong with me. And that's why I'm so fucking glad you don't. Because I'm in the right fucking spot. When people don't understand you anymore, you're in that spot of obsession and drive.
So yun guys, nakaka 50 dips na tayo. And 50 reps na lang ulit. And we're gonna end this shit. So hindi madali, pero kailangan natin gawin dahil pag sinabi mo na, okay? Gagawin natin yan. Hindi madali itong ginagawa natin guys, pero mas pinipili natin mahirapan, mag-effort, kaysa humilata, maglaro ng online games, manood ng kung ano-ano. Mas pinipili natin gumawa ng content, mag-push up, mag-workout, you know, mag-edit. Ayun, dun ako nakakakuha na ngayon ng saya. Kapag nakapag-produce ako ng video, kapag nakapag-workout ako ng 100 reps, you know, ay dun ako nakakuha ng saya guys. In short, sa sandaling oras, ginagamit natin ng tama yung oras natin, okay? Kahit 1 hour, 2 hours, you know, gamitin nyo sa tama yung oras nyo. Gusto ko kayo din guys. No? Akala mo talaga disiplinado eh. Last 20 guys. Tingnan nyo, dire-diretso. Let's go. Let's go. Done day 17 na naman. Let's go guys. Isipin mo, kung mas pinili ko na lang kanina na matulog, putik kinabukasan magre-regret. May regret na agad ako na sana ginawa ko pala kagabi. Kahit pagod ako, kahit tinatamad ako, you know. Pero ngayon, done day 17. Everyday umuusad tayo hanggang sa matapos natin itong 30 days challenge natin guys. So yun lang. Everyday dapat kumikilos ka. Everyday dapat may ginagawa ka. Okay? Putik ewan ko, pag workout yung video ko, nagiging motivational shit ako, you know. Gano'n kasi pinapainggan ko guys pag nag-workout ako, puro motivational. Kapag di ko na kaya, alam mo yun, makikinig ka na ng David Goggins, Andrew Tate, you know. Malaking bagay din nakikinig ka ng ganun guys, dahil na-adapt mo yung mindset nila, yung mentality when it comes to gym, or pwede mo rin i-apply sa life mo, you know. So nasa sayo na lang yan kung paano mo i-apply sa buhay mo ngayon. So yun lang, maraming salamat guys. Most of the time pinapakinggan natin si David Goggins kasi nga mas marami tayong reps, no. So mas kumbaga mahaba yung kailangan nating tiisin, you know, kahit mahirap, kahit nakakapagod. You know, kapag David Goggins yung pinainggan mo, talagang putik, anong rest? Walang rest boy, tuloy-tuloy mo yan. Okay, so makita nyo David Goggins playlist for your training. You know? Relax. Let's go. They don't know me, son. So hanggang dito na lang yung vlog natin guys. Done day 17. Subscribe naman dyan guys. Palimos. palimos ng subscriber. Ano na? Pindutin mo na yan, boy! Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and follow mo na rin ako, and subscribe mo na yan. And wag na wag nyong kakalimutang alagaan ang mga sarili nyo, okay? At out, peace! Palimos ng subscriber!